Welcome to At Your Pace Online's continuing education class on the International Plumbing Code, the IPC. We're going to focus on changes to the 2015 IPC that went into the 2018 IPC. Rather than try to look at every change, we'll mainly study the significant changes selected by the International Code Council and published as the significant changes to the IPC 2018 edition. Every change in that publication will be included, along with a few significant changes the book doesn't cover. It might be helpful to have a copy of the 2018 IPC as you go through the class, but it isn't necessary. For each change the class discusses, the deleted text and new or revised text will be provided, along with an explanation of why the code changed or what the change is intended to accomplish. Deleted text is struck through, and added text for 2018 is highlighted. Additional information that helps illustrate the nature of the change may also be presented. The IPC is updated every 3 years. The first edition of the IPC was published in 1995, and the current 3-year revision cycle initiated in 1997. This means that no sooner was it published than the revision cycle for the 2021 IPC got underway. Each edition is provided to the states, who then begin their own period of comments and analysis that eventually leads to adoption of a large portion of the model IPC, with some sections either not adopted or revised by state amendments. Each lesson in the class will cover a chapter or two, or portion of a chapter. The lessons are followed with a review question that helps you track your progress and allows you to use the information from the class right away, which we found to be an effective learning tool. If you take a break from the class after a review question, you can pick it up again at the beginning of the next lesson. The class also provides links so you can read the text of codes on the ICC website, as well as links to additional information that helps illustrate the nature of the code change. By the end of this course, you should have a good idea of the latest plumbing practices and regulations. The class will conclude by looking at some common plumbing problems, most of which are avoidable, and how to avoid or resolve them. There's a lot to cover, so let's get started.